Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're out on a cleaning. This happens to be a Deflecto type vent cover, and we're not going to actually change it today, but it is full of lint and the customer is complaining about it taking too long to dry. So we're going to get in here and bust it loose, see what we got going on. It's separated in the crawl space. All right, that's what that insulation is telling me. We are separated in the crawl space. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're a locally owned, veteran-operated business that's been screened and approved through Home Advisor. We're an accredited business with the Better Business Bureau, and you can find us on Facebook at SafeDVS, or you can follow us on Twitter at SafeDVS LLC. Our technicians are certified dryer exhaust technicians, and that can be verified through www.csia.org. So this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Again, this was not hooked up correctly. So now we've got it taped off. And the customers have been here for a while. So if you'll notice all this lint right here, it was never getting outside. So, but we ended up took off back there, got it taped up and fixed. And now we're gonna go out and do the cleaning. This is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. You know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you. Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. We got that vent put back together now. If you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but you can actually see airflow coming out. And that's just because we've got it hooked up. So this has been basically blowing up against that wall this whole time, as I showed you in the video. So what we're doing now is this is just really a courtesy clean, just to make sure, since it did back up some, we'll go ahead and get what's in the pipe out of the pipe. And the sad thing is this customer should have never had this. They actually used a 6-inch pipe on this. So I'm gonna pause this for a minute and restart the dryer. I'll be right back. Hello, we're back, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. The dryer turned off, so I ran in real quick, turned it back on. You can actually see significant airflow now. So hooking up your dryer vent correctly is huge. It's really important. The days of just blowing it out with a leaf blower or just throwing any type of vent piece on there to make it vent outside is gone. Your dryer vent is like back in the 80s when they got rid of carburetors and started going with electric fuel injectors. These dryers are so efficient now, they have sensors on them. And unless it's put together correctly, you're not going to be efficient. You're going to have higher dryer bills, or higher power bills. Everything's gonna cost you more money. This vent is 16 feet long and it's 6-inch pipe, and it really should not have been clogging up. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're gonna get this cleaned up and get out of here. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you.